Let's look at the Cost Catalog user interface. You'll notice up at the top we have two main areas. We have the Cost Catalog item and the Cost Catalog template. So the Item tab will give you a listing of all your cost code items in one screen. The Cost Catalog template will give you a combination of different templates that combine multiple cost code items. So for example, my kitchen remodel here, I can go into this, double click it, and this will give me a listing of all the cost items within that template. From here, we can also create new templates. And let's go back to Cost Catalog item, where we can create new items. We can quickly add new rows of items to create on screen, or we can import from an Excel sheet. You can also customize the different columns you see on screen by going here. And we can also adjust our views by different groupings. If I go right here, click on this little groupings icon, you'll see we have this drag here to set row groups. So for example, if I want to change my view to be grouped by cost code, I can grab the cost code header and just drag and drop this up to the top to group by cost code. And also each of these column headers has a little menu I can click into to pin that column to resize or expand and collapse. And if I'd like to save my current view, I can always go to Views and add a new view. And finally, if I have to search for a specific cost item, I can always go to the search up in the top right and search for what I need right there. So if I'm looking for something like plumbing, anything related to plumbing shows up on my screen.